Look at this. Leave him alone, you know that. Yeah, I'm watching you. This little boy is shivering. He's not well. Good boy. You did good. You did good. I know, you're a pair of bullies. I know. You used to be their best friends when you were outdoors. I know. It's now your place, isn't it? Hey, my gang of two. Careful. No, leave him alone. As you can see, I've got to sort out their perches are going everywhere. I've got a lot more to put in. Leave him alone, you bully. They'll get sick of it, actually. See, so Clancy came in and he was attacked, but not viciously. Like they settled down very quickly and they were eating. So I'm just going to stay here till they've stopped doing it. Hi, Stella, my guinea fowl killer. This Larry the lavender is doing well. Look, I've got two. I can hear you. I can hear you. I'm finding it really hard because I've got this boy on my lap. And then I've got the girl. Can you see her on my shoulder? She's making herself at home on my shoulder. Hi, Clancy, my darling. Hi, you did good. You're doing good. Yes, you're a good boy. Hey, leave him. Oh, stop it, you crazy boy. Watch this. I've got a bird on my shoulder. I kind of am enjoying. Yeah, good. He's going to slide off. It's good. That's actually a good place for him to be sitting at the moment because they're struggling to get up there and stay up there. I've got a guinea fowl down there dying, and this boy's going to die too. I wish I had the guts to euthanize them. It's more that I'm scared I'll cause more pain euthanizing them than they're in. Hi, little baby. Oh, you're so cute. You got a big voice. You're a good girl. I'm so excited she's talking. I know, you stay on my lap. I'm not going to hurt you, silly Billy. Oh, you can hop off. And so, that's Celia there. God, I hope nothing happens to him. I'm just so tired of my guinea fowl dying. That's a little girl down there dying, the pearl grey. I'll take her out, and I just don't know what else to do. I don't know what it is. Because like the one I picked up yesterday, no respiratory symptoms. I can't see any diarrhea. Hi, my darling girl. I'm just patting this baby on my shoulder. You're so beautiful. I love you. That's her. She came and flew on my shoulder. It's so nice. So nice. They make me so happy. I want to put their feeders together. I brought some gloves, and I'm going to get a little hammer to tap, tap, tap. Hi, did you talk to me? Are you okay? Are you just cold? It's really freezing. It's really friggin' freezing, I'm telling you now. I was going to go and do the horse fence, and I'm just too cold. I'm going to stay up here. And Stella's not cold. She's the only one not cold. It's so rude. Look, I honestly don't know what to do. I don't know if they're eating these. They didn't peck at the ones down the bottom. I might pick them up for the other birds. I'll see if the geese have eaten them. Hi, my boy. Hi, darling. You're so cute, aren't you? And so are you. They've got their same spots, like I'm getting to know them. I know, I'm so rude. That's muddy, I need to fix it up. This feeder's kind of almost done. I know, I'm not even using it because I don't know how to actually make it open and close. And how to set it for the weight. I'm so unco. I spent $300 on feeders and I don't know how to use. I can't put them together properly. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I just touched you. It was so rude. I know. Oh, leave him alone. I said that's enough, okay? It's enough. The trick, I said that's enough, didn't I? Thank you, good boy. It's my good boy. You leave him alone. Yeah, I've got to go and give the antibiotics. I've got to finish feeding everyone, but I've got to give the antibiotics too. I said no. I know what you're doing. Look at him, poor thing. Okay, it's hard cracking into a new pen, but I'm making another pen for the silvers. Might even put a couple of guinea fowl in with them. What do you reckon? How would that go? Hey? If we take some of the guineas out of here, or even put some of the babies in there, actually, that might work. So I forgot I got a whole heap of guinea fowl inside. Hey, would that be nice? Do you silver want to go to a different one, and you golds can be the ringleaders of this one because there's more golds, they can stay here. The other one will be smaller. And then there'll have to be more guinea in here than the other one. Hey, my little cutie. And you're the king of the castle. You're just so rotten cute. Look at you. I can't wait to show my guinea friends this. Oh, you're so cute. You gonna talk? You're so cute. Aren't they listening to you? Hey, buck up, buck up, buck up, buck up. Buck up, 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 buck up. Eventually she'll stop when I do it, and she gets to know me more, like, and trust me. Hey, good girl. Thank you for telling me your news. Hey, good girl. Off she goes. Off she goes. I know. Hi, Celia. Hi, my darling. I know it's messy out there. Oh, my God, the chickens have all gone into that coop. I opened it up. It's so disgusting. Won't hurt them. I know. It'll be warmer for them at night, actually. I should let them go in there. Hey? I just don't want the geese to lay their eggs in there. It's so disgusting. I might... So this is a little girl too. And see the ruffled feathers around the neck? I just hope that that's okay and it's just from the cold. Are you going to talk? You're so cute. And the little, this is little Ivory. Hi. Hi. I know, I'm mean, aren't I? I'm mean. I know. I'm mean. They're so cute, their noises, aren't they? The cutest noises. You two are good boys. You're leaving him alone now. You're so clever, aren't you? I just need to make this whole yard into a massive coop for them all and have a big yard around outside of it for Stella. Well, not like separate coops, but eventually just make the whole yard into a coop, like lots of coops. Are you okay, darling? Is that dog out there looking at you? Hi, Stella. Hi, Stella. What you doing, Stella? Stella? You're okay. You're getting used to it now? You can get down and have something to eat, and I've got to give them some water in a minute. Fill up their big finger water. They've got 20-litre water container. Oh, hi, darling. What's the matter? What's the matter? Are your friends dying? It's very sad. Celia, come and tell me. Come on, darling. Oh, sorry. I nearly trod on a rooster's foot. Hi, darlings. Hey, leave him alone. Didn't I say leave him alone? Yes, you. Leave him alone. He's just here. He looks at me, he knows. He'll get away with it if I move back. I'm watching you. Good boy. I know people say not to interfere, but I think also I'm sort of an adjunct member of the flock, and I'm allowed to step in and say, hey, play nice. He understands you're the big boss. He's scared of you. He's scared of you, darling. He's hiding from you. You can't just make him run around the whole pen constantly. Watch it. Watch it. Good boy. Good boy. I know. I'm watching you. She's so cute. He's fucking cute. He's one of my originals. My very first chocolates, aren't you? You and your brother. Yeah, I'm watching you. So they've left him alone, so that's good. Let's see if he's forgotten. Have you forgotten him? You're good boys. You're a good boy. Hey. He's having a little patrol. Celia, what's the matter? I know, darling. Hi, my boy. You okay now since I grabbed you? I know. Now, he's one of my original ones. One of my very first lavenders. And the other one is one of the babies that we bred here from an egg. Yes. Hey. Hey. We lost our last original pied. Pearl pied. Pearl grey. It's just so annoying. It makes me very sad. I know. We've lost a lot of birds and it's very sad. Makes everybody sad. You're growing, aren't you? Look how big you are. You're so big. You were little. Look how big you are. I don't like any fluffs around the neck. I'm probably going to have to go. I'm going to run out of memory. Storage. I can see it happening. So all the guinea fowl are now no longer free range. We have no free range guinea fowl. And you're going to be nice to all the new ones, aren't you? Hey, my boy. Are you going to be nice? You good boy. Hey, are you going to be nice? Are you cheeky? You good boy. I know. I pat you at night in the dark and you hate it. I'm very rude, aren't I? Yeah, very rude. So he's starting to unwind. So here's one that we have from our originals. You can see his helmet's small. Yeah. Oh, that's such a sad... She's normally got a much more robust... I know, darling. She was robust before. She sounds sad to me. Are you okay, my darling girl? She's always liked to chat to me. Are you okay? What's happened? Tell me what happened. Can you tell me what happened? I'm just sitting down. Celia! Leave him! Come on, leave him! Leave him! Stop it! They're being mean, aren't they? It's nice to have more than one girl talking. We had so many girls. Hi, darling. Hi. I know. You tell me. You're a good girl. I know. Where's this sick little rooster? He was hanging around me. He's there. I know. I actually think he's got that thing with the crop. I'm going to have to find out how to look after it, but I think he's going to die overnight. I can bring him inside, but I think it's too late for him. He's very thin. And I should have noticed him sooner, correct. Celia, Celia, Celia. She knows her name. Celia, what's the matter? Good girl, Celia. Celia, what's going on? That's not Celia, that's the baby. Your baby. Celia, what's the matter, darling? Yeah, I'll take you. I'll take you in because you're cold. I'll take you inside. Okay, are you two big tough guys going to leave the other birds alone? That's what I want to know. You tough boys. Hey? Are you going to leave Are you going to leave the lavenders alone? Are you? Hey? Did one of you run your face first hand in the palm of my hand, head first, sorry, into the palm of my hand when you were chasing him? Yeah, because you know better now. It's time to stop all that business. You've been together for years. I know it's different because this is your little pen, but you're sharing it now. Okay? Yeah. And they were at the lower end when they were outdoors. They've become big toughies now. Haven't you? Yeah, good boys. All the other colours took their chocolate girls. And the chocolate girls have all been slowly killed. Well, the last one just disappeared. I think she might have sat in a nest. I don't know. I never found her again. She just went missing, and I find that I think it was the same one that did hatch. It was around the same time as last year that she did come back with one baby because it was freezing cold. She would have hatched it in winter. And I think it was the same one. I think she's been taken by a fox this time. I don't know. I really don't know for sure. You don't know when you don't see them. So those babies are happy. They're all friends. Those ones... Where's my finger? Those ones there. One lavender happy. Chicken's happy, but a rooster here not looking good. Are you okay? You just sleeping? Can't afford to go sleeping. Oh, I know. That was very rude of me, wasn't it? Very rude of me. I know. They're getting used to me picking them up. I don't have time to pick you all up because I'm actually wasting all my daylight. And I was going to do your feeder. Yeah, I'm actually getting really cold. I don't think I can. I think I'm going to have to move while I'm outside. Hi, darling. She's very... Hi, you naughty guinea fowl killer. Hi. You busy? She's very busy. Hi, sweetie. She's so cute. I'll break these up into shorts. Isn't she so beautiful? She's got her lacing's too light for the breed standard, but I just still think she's very beautiful, very pretty. Aren't you? And you're going to go into your own pen soon. I'm going to make a silver pen. Yeah. Hi, my darling. Celia, come back. Celia. Yeah, look at this. It's a little girl. Makes me sad. Not because she's a girl, just because the one that died yesterday was a little boy. I know she's sick. I'm going to leave her in here with her friends because I think she's happier with her friends, and whatever bug is in here is in here. I'll let her spend her last days with her friends because I don't know what to treat her with. I'd just be throwing medicine at her. I'm going to put a vitamin into their water. And they've got grower, they've got grain, so they've got like high protein. They've got the loosened balls that they don't like, and I just don't know what to do with them. I just don't know what to do with them. And they will get, this will be too crowded when they come into season. So it's freezing cold, middle of winter, but by spring I need to have my second aviary up, and I've got panels for it. I've got wire. I just need to drag them around. I've had lung infection and I'm much better. I've got lung damage, but I feel a lot better without the infection. And hi darling boy, you found a safe place, and you're happy. He's happy to have his friends back. Yeah, I know, my darling Clancy. He had a mate that looked just like him, little female, and she died. I can't remember how did she die? It was ages ago. It was very sad, like it was over a year ago. And that was sad, wasn't it? So I'm just not letting them free range. And then even though they're getting sick, a couple of them are getting sick, we'll just have to work out on the balance of things, what the best way is to go with it, because we've got bird flu coming anyway, and I was going to lock them up. So actually now I've only got a handful of free-range birds. That's my chickens and my roosters that sit and hatch everything, and they don't go very far, but I might need to just put like a big mesh over the whole yard and keep them in. Oh, you're a good boy. You're my good boy. It's the light's not good. Yeah, they're good. Oh, you're my good boy. I know. You were watching me and I didn't tell you. I know. They like to talk to me as long as I keep away from them. I know. You're a good darling boy, aren't you? You're a good sweetheart. I know. I'm sorry I grabbed you the way I did. I don't want... If you were out there by yourself, Stella would kill you for sure. And I just couldn't stand it. I know. I hate it. She's not a very good livestock guardian dog, is she? She keeps everything out, but she goes, are you all right, darling? Yeah. So beautiful. I know. You can see Stella's on watch. She takes her job seriously, but my God. And there's our little sick baby. People might be critical, saying, well, why don't you take her out? But it's like, obviously they've had the bugs, whatever's going on. I don't know. Bye, my boy. Bye, my boy. You're turning away. That's rude. That was rude. That was rude, wasn't it? You all good? You good? I have to charge this camera. It's flat. Okay, everyone. I'm going out of here and I'm going to fill up your water tubs. You've got heaps of food. Yes, you do. Okay.